Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Analytics Expert. In this channel you will get very good knowledge of advanced Excel, VBA macro, MS Access, MS Access VBA, SQL Server, Power BI, Tableau, R and Python. So please watch my video to get these types of knowledge. These days I'm putting video for VBA. Further I will put video for Excel, Access, lots of other video I will put here. So make sure be continue and watch my video regularly. So for those students who already joined my class, please for practice purpose of always you have to watch my video. Okay, so now today I'm going to let you know logic of count if. I will not apply count if function, but I will let you know how we can get output of count if, just like count if. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to copy the data, I have to paste here, I have to remove duplicate and enter. After that I have to take employee count on the basis of each department. Okay, so how we can do, let's see the practical approach. The Alt F11 I pressed. Now I'm going to module. Module name is for loop. Okay, so I'm removing this one. Now writing here, I'm removing this part. Actually I have to do each and everything through the macro. Okay, so here I'm going to write sub create count if logic. Now activate the sheet 8 dot select. Now here you need to write, you have to make a copy of data from C column. So have to write here range C2 to C50, because you have 50 data. You can make it dynamic. If you want to make it dynamic, then you will have to write different code. Okay, then where you want to paste, I want to paste into J column. Okay, if you want to make it dynamic, then you have to write like this. I'll let you know. First you need to take C2, then here you need to take a range, again C2 dot end, sorry, after C2 you have to take inverted comma, bracket close, dot end Excel2 down, dot copy, and then range. I'm just closing two brackets here. Why I have closed two bracket? First bracket is for, first closing is for this bracket, second closing is for this bracket. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to remove the duplicate value after pasting data into J column. I have to remove duplicate value from J column. So I have to write here range J1. Sorry, I have to take here header also. So I will have to write here 1, 1. Okay. Now here I need to remove duplicate value. So I have to take base cell J1, and from J1 you need to move in downside. J1 dot end. It will move on last data. Then it will select and remove duplicate. Dot remove duplicates. I need to remove duplicate from only single column. Single column means J column. Here you need to take anyone. Okay. After that, I have to declare two variables. First variable for first loop, second variable for second loop. So what I have to do here, I need to declare dim counter 1 comma counter 2 as integer. After that, I have to declare two department variable, dim depth1 comma depth2 as a string. Now here I have to write dim counter 1 equal to 2 2. After pasting data, let me check how many data I will get it unique in J column after removing the duplicate value. So my data is second number row to ninth number row. So I have to execute my loop 2 to 9. Okay. So first loop will work on J column. So I'm taking here 9. Okay. Then I have to close this loop. Next, counter 1. And now what I have to do, I have to pick the value from J column. Okay, so I will have to write here depth1 equal to range uh, J concatenate. I have to use here counter 1. So it will read the value from J column and it will store into depth1 one by one. Okay. Then I'm starting second for loop, dim counter 2 equal to how many data available in this data set? 50. So I will have to write here 2 to 50. Okay. And then I have to use here depth 2. Depth 2 I have to store data from C column. Okay. So range C concatenate counter 2. So J column data will store in depth 1, C column data will store in depth 2. Okay. After that, I will apply logic to match the data from depth 1 to depth 2. So it means you are matching data J column data with C column. Where is matching, it will increase the count. So how we can, I have to take another variable data count. So I will have to write here uh, if depth 1 equal to depth 2, then, and if, now here you need to write if depth 1 and depth 2 value will match, then need to increase the data count of data count variable. Data count equal to data count plus 1. Okay. After taking data count, suppose here is production department, it's matching with production department will match two times because you have two data related to production department. So you will get in data count you will get 2, and then same 2 I will place in K column. Okay. So now I will place the value. Next, counter 2, and then I have to place the value range K concatenate counter 1 equal to, I need to take here data count. Okay. Then I have to reset the data count equal to 0. One by one data count you will get, and you will get placed into K column. So you can see here first data count I'm removing, and you can see here remove the duplicate value, it will check count. So F5, then it will place data count for production department. You can see here, now data count is reset because I need to take data count of quality. So I have reset data count equal to 0. Then press F5, I'm pressing, you can see here output. This is the topic for this video. Okay, thank you so much. I'm trainer of data analytics, data science, MIS, and BI developer. If you are looking very good training of VBA, Excel, Access VBA, SQL Server, Power BI, Tableau, R, Python, you can come to me. My contact number is 9899282365. You can WhatsApp me your requirement. I will help you in project support. I will give you proper training. After that, in case you join any organization, I will give you assistant. Thank you so much. Bye.